Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back.
Implicit differentiation makes this tangent slope super fast, and we only need the equation and point to land the correct choice cleanly. To get the slope of the tangent, treat y as a function of x and differentiate the equation x squared y plus y squared equals 21 implicitly.
Differentiating gives 2xy plus x squared times y prime, then plus 2y times y prime, and the derivative of 21 is 0, so collect y prime terms. Now plug in x equals 2 and y equals 3. 12 plus 4y prime plus 6y prime equals 0, so y prime equals... Well done! Option C. Scan now. Trap, signs, and rushing. Rule, trust the given point and check your differentiation steps carefully.